Okay, this is a two-step method. We're going to scrub the boost clean with a toothbrush and then paint it with a paint marker. Along the way, I'll show you everything that you need to know to go from this to this. If you really want great results, start by putting masking tape on the upper of the shoe. If you skip this step, that's on you. Next, you're going to need an old toothbrush. Buy yourself a new toothbrush. You're probably overdue anyway, and use your old one for this. We're going to use two products to scrub the boost. Number one, a bleach cleaner. This will whiten the boost. Something like the Mestos or Clorox. Number two, a paste or a powder to help us scrub. Something like Gumption or Ajax or Jif. This might rub away some of the boost if the boost is damaged like with my shoes, but it'll probably end up looking better. If you can't get both products, that's okay. We're just trying to get the boost as clean as possible before we paint it with a marker. In fact, Adidas recommends using eco-friendly laundry powder, which is what I would use if my boost wasn't so dirty. For your safety, be sure to follow the instructions on the labels. Mix the bleach cleaner with some water and dunk in your brush. And then add some paste and scrub the boost. Let the shoe sit for 10 minutes so the bleach can work. Then scrub the boost again using just water. Now wipe it clean and let it dry overnight. You might be shocked with how clean this gets your sneakers. This might be all you need to do. Now it's time to paint the boost with an oil-based marker. You may need to redo the masking tape at this point. Wear gloves if you don't want paint on your hands. Put some paper towels down so that you don't damage your countertop, and have some other paper towels ready so that you can clean up your mistakes. Having some turpentine nearby is a good idea in case you get some paint on the upper, which probably will happen if you don't cover the whole thing with masking tape. Be patient, this takes a while. Paint with the grain and against it. Let the paint dry for a few hours and then decide if you need another coat. Bonus tip, I painted the right shoe with a water-based marker, just to show you that it will flake off a bit more than oil-based paint. Another thing I noticed was that the oil-based paint was a sort of semi-gloss, whereas the water-based marker was like a matte, but it was only really noticeable close up. Once it's done, you're going to be shocked with the results. Painting your shoes takes time and dedication, and you have to be okay that it's not going to look perfect close up. But if all of this seems like too much work for you, buy shoes with darker colored midsoles next time. For example, to see me unboxing these all blue NMDs, click on the link above or in the description. Personally, I'm really happy with the results. I hope that I've given you everything that you need to know to get great results too. And if I've been helpful to you, please leave comments below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Peace.